Well, folks, it's the apocalypse. We're out here at Horror House, down here in West Harrison, Indiana, not too far from Ohio, right around about Cincinnati or so. They say there's a haunted house out here somewhere. We seen this big searchlight up in the sky. We thought, what the hell, we'll go check it out. Shit's gone to hell. They got people shooting people with airsoft guns. They got all kinds of creepy people running around, but they got food trucks, so that's all right. We got our sausages, we got our bullets. Let's get in here and see if we can get some scares. Oh shit, somebody's coming.
Are you guys ready?
Here,
Hell yeah!
We're looking for. All right.
All right.
Colony.
See ya.
Oh hell.
On the bus.
Okay. Oh, thank you.
Go, I don't do that door.
Okay. We're gonna survive. I have a pencil.
Oh my.
Oh shit.
Oh my.
Woo!
Let's go!
It's the apocalypse. I think we just did a donut. This is the funnest bus ride ever.
Oh god. This cool. Yeah. Oh god.
I got a pencil.
Everything's swirling around outside. Everything's swirling around outside.
Yeah.
I think we're stopped.
Never mind.
Oh god. They're beating on the windows.
Uh-oh. They know we're here. They know we're here.
Right here.
Okay.
Circle up. 1, 2, 3. Y'all know what happened out here?
No.
A lot of people
Complete and
died.
utter bullshit. That's what happened. Ever since the fall, we have been pushed out and have created our own little place called the Colony. We have placed people along the way to help you, but I must advise you of a group we like to call the Others.
The others.
They have been trying to infiltrate in on us. Right now, I am your safe place. My name is Rebecca. Rebecca. Got it?
Rebecca.
I'm glad y'all know how to say it. Now, who has my pencil? Front and center.
Oh, Nora's got a pencil.
Hold out your other hand. There's your food for the week.
Oh, we get.
Now,
Yeah.
2 rules. Avoid the others, follow the caution tape. Understood?
Yes,
Yes,
Rebecca.
ma'am.
Get going.
Avoid the others.
Avoid the others.
And we have spam.
That is
We-
Vienna sausage.
Oh.
Oh
She
goodness.
just told them we're coming.
Dang, this is tight.
How do we really even know that
watch your
she's not
step.
one of the others?
Should we eat these now or later?
We might need to trade them for something.
Okay.
I am sorry.
My.
I thought they were.
I'm thinking sausages. Made from your intestines.
Okay.
Nope.
You look tasty.
I know.
He's got a lot of sausages.
I got a lot of sausages.
Oh, good God. The light about came down on me.
Oh god.
Oh.
Give me your intestines.
We said
no.
no.
He comes down really far. I love it.
Give me their intestines.
We're using them right now.
Don't listen to her.
Oh god.
What the hell is that then?
That was awesome.
He's excited.
Throw my sausages at you.
That was awesome.
Oh,
What in the world is he?
I don't know. Hi there. Are you okay?
I think it's another.
Are you well?
Oh god. He's feisty.
Okay. They're going after Eric's intestines.
Yeah. What about Nora's intestines?
I ain't got none.
You ain't got none?
No.
Why the hell are y'all over here by my fire?
Well, we were
I don't
looking
know.
for
They just
some
told
duct
us to
tape.
come this way.
Some duct tape. I ain't got no damn duct tape. Who sent you over here?
The lady at the
Rebecca.
bus.
Rebecca.
Yeah.
Rebecca?
Yeah.
Oh, I love Rebecca. Come on.
Okay.
Give me.
No, but that's the only food we have.
Come on over.
Okay.
Okay. Over to the fire.
All right, fire.
I got a tampon for you.
Oh, that's exactly what I
That's
need.
worth a
That's
lot
exactly
more than
what we-
sausages.
Hey, if you get shot, what you gonna plug it with?
This
Right.
tampon.
That damn tampon.
Save our lives. Thank you.
Exactly. You're welcome. That's my job here. I'm the final warning for you guys. Down back here is the deepest, darkest, and most dangerous part you'll get to before you get out to the colony, okay?
Okay.
Got
From
it.
here on out, you guys are gonna want to stay in a single fall line, no less than a...
Okay. Then arms
Don't
length.
cut me off. Okay?
Okay.
No less than arm's length apart, okay?
If you do, they will snatch you. They will kill you. No longer my problem once you leave here, okay?
10-4.
Okay.
10-4!
Yeah, 10-4. We got a tampon.
So we gotta stay.
We got a tampon.
Uh-oh.
Oh, they didn't make it.
I don't think
boy.
this is where we're supposed to be. Shoot.
Yeah,
We
I
got
don't
some
think so
hanging
either.
bodies.
That one's really.
That
fresh.
one went
got-
through hell. Here
I got a
comes
tampon, don't do
another.
it.
I don't think you're from our
Oh, crap.
colony.
I do.
Some performance problem.
Alrighty then. Holy cow. Woo, chainsaw going downhill.
Oh,
Oh, good
excited
Lord.
too.
Why is she so excited?
She wants to chop off our heads and feed them
No.
to the others.
No way.
Well, howdy there.
Howdy.
Y'all look mighty fun.
She's got an axe.
And sweet? I don't know about
Very
that
trouble.
part.
Perfect in one of my homemade pies.
No.
What's your favorite pie, sweetheart?
Pumpkin.
Well, mine's you.
Oh,
You know,
good
all
God.
I do is pack you up and gut you up. You'd be delicious, and then I'd take you back to my bakery where I'd prepare you, sweetheart.
I don't think
rinse
that's a good
that
idea.
sweet stuff it in the skin for the crust. Y'all be delicious.
Oh, God.
I do taste really good.
Bakers around
We're in the wrong part of town.
to kill for.
We're in the
Oh,
wrong
yeah.
I think we're gonna pass on the pies.
The swamp.
The swamp.
And all I have is a tampon. I think I want my
We're in the
sausage
swamp
back.
and all we got is a tampon.
What in the hell? It's a bushman.
Oh, swamp creatures.
Ooh, it's a sneaky bushman.
It's a swamp creature.
Oh, God. That bushman just gave me a heart attack. Ooh.
This is a good looking
Creature
swamp.
feature.
Outside? How they do it outside?
I feel like I'm suffocating.
It's like a real swamp.
What? It's cold down here.
Oh, no, something touching me.
My God.
Rustling in the swamps.
Uh-oh. I heard something
That's
from over
something
there.
else that's scary.
Whoa. Where'd you go?
Oh, God, there he goes again.
Let the games begin.
Oh,
Oh,
whoa. That is a wolf, I think. Oh, God.
We got a creature.
There are creatures out here. It's the werewolf. Ooh, this looks beautiful.
Evil woodland creatures.
You stay over there. This is creepy. Oh, God.
are you and what the hell are you doing in my woods?
We have tampons,
I don't
Rebecca
care
sent
about
us.
that damn thing.
but if
Rebecca
you get
sent
shot,
us.
it's really good.
I don't know who the hell that is.
Oh, well, we're going to keep going this way then.
Why don't you tell me why you're in my woods, damn
We're
it?
trying to get to the
We're
colony.
looking for duct tape.
Yeah.
Colony?
Yeah.
I think you're lying to me.
No.
I think you're trying to take my damn home from me.
Whoa,
Oh, God. Where's your home? Ooh, it's a Jeep.
Jeep.
Don't you remember
God.
Oh.
Yeah.
Don't you remember me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Answer me!
Yeah.
Me!
We did answer
remember
you. We
you.
do remember you.
What am I smelling?
I don't
Oh
know.
my God.
Oh, God.
Remember you, boy?
Oh shit.
You don't piss me off!
No,
Oh,
I'm sorry.
God. Okay. I think tampon. Yeah.
Squeal for me, you little shit!
Oh
Bye, handsome!
Uh-oh. What are you?
Hey,
oh,
you guys have almost made it. You guys don't happen to have anything that like I could plug a fucking bullet hole with, do you?
We've got a tampon.
That's
Tampon.
perfect. That's perfect. Hey. I'll give you 2 bullets for it. Is that
Okay,
good?
2 bullets.
bullets?
Yes.
Okay, look, you guys are almost there.
Okay.
You've almost made it to the colony, but I will tell you, this is a big fucking building. It's been hard to secure, and the others have made it in, so just be careful.
Oh, the others are
Okay.
in here.
Thank you guys so much.
Help me! He's coming! Hey, shut up! Shut up!
Oh, okay. We're gonna go this way. That guy has been torn apart.
Oh my.
Uh-oh.
Oh, look.
We're trapped.
Uh-oh.
Trapped? No.
Yeah.
They
closed the gate.
I've been trapped ever since that I got here. And let me tell you,
Oh my.
they do not put, they should never put a serial killer in here. Got 52 bodies to my name.
I agree. They should not put serial killers in here.
Yeah, and what did they do? The colony thought it was the smartest idea to put Lola, the most notorious Louisianian serial killer, in here. You know, there's so many times that I walk through these walls and then I realized I can't go nowhere.
Uh-oh.
No. Don't worry. You guys are free to go.
Oh, we can go? That's good. That's good. I'm glad.
Of course.
I'm glad that we can go. And
Thank you,
as long
man.
as the gate will open.
Fool me once, shame on you. Fool me twice, and then now you're my next piece of dinner.
Oh, no.
You.
No cannibals.
You.
Oh, God.
You know what? You look like you'd be a great piece of either.
I got a lot of meat.
He'd be a piece of other or something, all right.
Did I ask for your opinion?
I was just agreeing with you.
No, this one. Should I make him a part of my human noodle soup?
No.
What about the semen demon soup? I
Oh
think
my.
I like that one.
Semen demon!
That one's a little salty.
Yeah, that's
A little salty. The broth just turns white. That's all that there is. There's nothing wrong with a little bit of that, right?
It's scary that she's had that before.
She's tested it out.
You think I've had it before?
It
You
sounds like you
sounded
have.
like you spoke
Yeah.
from experience.
Just because I know how to make it doesn't mean that I've had it.
Wait, she makes the semen soup?
Exactly.
Wow.
Lola enjoys making food for other people to make them sick because then that means that they crawl over, they die, and then they actually become my dinner. I turn them into filet mignons, fried chicken, and if I'm feeling a little bit frisky, bacon.
Oh.
Don't you just love a little bit of porky porks?
Yeah, sometimes.
You like bacon?
As long as it's pork.
Pork bacon.
Yeah.
Not of the long pig variety.
These legs look like they could be great bacon pieces.
There's a lot there, yeah.
Long
A
pig.
lot there. This girl. Oh, she got some strong legs. You know what? Maybe I'd keep you around to, monitor everything. How's that sound?
Monitor? Yeah. Yeah.
Monitor. I'll keep you alive for a little bit longer. Give you a little bit of food. I promise it won't be a semen demon soup. Okay?
Okay, please don't.
Okay. I promise that I won't.
Okay.
But I'd keep you safe around here.
The door's closed.
God dang it, the door's shut. Not no more.
She fixed it.
Go get out of here.
Aw, man.
How does this work?
It's pretty tight tonight.
Whoa.
I'm only on the side door.
Look out.
Oh, God.
Whoa. Now they're fucking us.
Try a bite of her face. Come on. Try a bite of her face. Come on.
Good.
Try a bite of her face. Try a bite of my face. Come on.
I think I'm okay.
Come on.
Thank you.
You wanna try a bite of her face?
No.
Come on. Try a bite of her face.
It's not fresh enough.
Foul beast. Abomination.
Oh,
That's a
God.
foul beast.
I think that's the foul beast. Oh, my.
Let's hope that he
He's going
stays
to take it
there.
down.
What in the world?
Oh,
Oh,
he's angry back here. Oh, I think he might be getting
Where's
out.
the door?
Yeah. Whoa!
Gotta get you out of here right now. Come on, no
shit
one
balls.
She got him.
Okay. Oh.
Gotta go, you gotta
Thank
go.
you.
Oh, we gotta go. We gotta go.
Holy balls.
Come on, they'll be
Oh,
here
God.
any second.
Woo.
Do y'all have anything for me tonight? Any bullets?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, you got two.
Yeah, we done good.
There you go.
Ooh.
Oh.
Sweet. Thank
What'd we
you.
get? What'd we get?
We got tactical training facility.
Oh, very cool.
Yeah.
100 shots.
Oh, so we can go do the airsoft.
Thank you.
All right, so that was the horror house trail. Let us know what you thought. Now we're gonna go get some guns and blow some stuff up. And blast some zombies with your lemon shake up there.
We're really shaking it up.
Oh, fireball! Oh, yep. Alright guys, well that was it here for Horror House. Let us know what you thought down in the comments. It's an absolute blast out here. Ha 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 with the guns. The apocalypse themes are always pretty crafty anyway. I'm pretty sure they had a real gun in that last scene. Talk to the owner though, they're shooting blanks. But if you came out here to see Horror House, tell them the Scare Factor sent you. If you want to see our full review with ratings, check out our website, thescarefactor.com. We also have a full nationwide directory of all the haunted houses we can find, including in some other countries. We're gonna head on off to the next haunt. Hopefully we'll see you there. Until then, stay scary.